Irwin Data Intelligence Suite, working with Metadata Manager, viewing mind maps. The agenda. The mind map is an innovative way to visualize data in context with varying levels of detail. Viewing mind maps includes View My Preferences, Object Properties, and Overview. Getting started with Irwin Metadata Manager. Click on the tile bar icon to access the Irwin DI modules. Go to Data Catalog and select Metadata Manager. You can harvest or scan metadata from data sources in the Metadata Manager. Viewing mind maps. Under Data Catalog pane, click Environment. Click Mind Map. A mind map of the environment appears. Expand Asset Level Mind Map. Hover on a node and click the plus icon. Expand Asset Level Mind Map and the expanded Asset Level Mind Map. Click Conceptual View. The Conceptual View environment appears. Expand Asset Level Mind Map. Hover on a node and click the plus icon. Viewing through Conceptual View, the expanded Asset Level Mind Map appears. Click Reload Mind Map Diagram, and the reloaded mind map diagram will appear. Click Expand Diagram to expand the mind map to view the associated technical and business assets. Expanded mind map diagram appears. Click Reset Diagram to collapse the expanded nodes and restore the mind map to its original view. The mind map is restored. Click Export to download the mind map and Sensitivity Details report. Click View My Preferences to set your preferences to view the mind map using your requirements. Asset Hierarchy. Select the Gray Background checkbox to display gray-colored background for the Asset Hierarchy nodes. And unselecting the Asset Hierarchy background will remove the gray-colored background. Select Show Asset Hierarchy checkbox to display the Asset Hierarchy nodes. And unselect will remove the Asset Hierarchy. Under View My Preferences, go to Relationship Options. Include relationships. Select the checkbox to display relationships between the assets on the mind map. And here we see the relationship Golden Source. And unselect the Include Relationships box to hide the displayed relationships between the assets on the mind map. And the results are shown here. Switch to Enterprise Relationship Configuration and select the checkbox to reapply the selected line color. And unselect the checkbox to hide the logical names of the tables and columns on the mind map. Select the checkbox to view the expanded logical names ELN of tables and columns on the mind map. And once again, unselect the checkbox to hide the expanded logical names. Sensitivity Data Indicator, Yes, No. Select the checkbox to view the sensitive assets on the mind map. This is shown by the red lock symbol. And by unselecting the checkbox, the sensitive assets on the mind map symbol disappears. Sensitivity Classification. Select the checkbox and it indicates the sensitive data type classification of the asset on the mind map, like PII in red. And unselecting the checkbox removes the sensitivity classification. Click Filters to filter the components of the mind map. Filter by Asset Type filters the required asset types in the mind map. Unselecting the checkbox will not show the asset type in the mind map. For example, columns are not visible in the mind map after unselecting. There is also a by relationship filter for the required assets in the mind map based on the relationships, like Golden Source, which is then presented on the mind map. And of course, By removing the checkbox, it no longer appears. Object properties. Properties of the selected asset customer on the mind map with association statistics and sensitivity. Click Overview to expand this pane to open a pan view of the mind map. That's it. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit irwin.com.